can bring it. Back. Go back. This is what I get for when Roxy doesn't want to stop playing, but I'm gonna go get ready. Hi guys! And today it is a Saturday, I believe. Is it?
Yes, it is Saturday.
It is a Saturday. And today we're doing a little unboxing before we go to the cinema because we're watching...
Fantastic Four, First Steps.
Ooh!
First Steps into War.
First, what are we going to open?
We are going to open some of which have been opened about 35 days ago, I think.
You ready to open what I've been nagging at you for doing for like the past 2 months, which has been at the front door, and he keeps walking past it. So,
what it is when Donnie was at a guys group on this particular day, she made, so I already know about this one, she's made a beautiful Father's Day mug.
Cup.
What she's customised herself.
Dun, 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 dun.
With loads of stars and stuff in there.
Sequins.
So when you clean it, you take the cup out. Then it comes, you take a bit of paper out.
And we'll have to find like something to store.
And there's also a message on the inside. Can I read it?
Yeah.
So inside it says, "To Dad, thank you for being supportive. I love you, from Donnie."
But it says, "I heart you." But yeah, that was going
hard
to
to
be...
see because obviously the other stuff on the other side's on the fridge. Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
Oh, yeah. It does say that though, I promise.
there you go.
Yeah.
Way back to front for you lot, but there you go.
Hey ho. But yeah, that was going to be the outside and then decorative inside, and then it just went into that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
That's it. Then also, Donnie has made a card, I believe.
It is a card, yes.
It says open on Father's Day. Do not open before Father's Day. But just say, it doesn't say do not open after Father's Day. So she can't moan at me because she never was specific.
Well, to be fair, the idea was you'd open, you'd be down, but I think you had like work or something. So then every time I'd go, oh yeah, I'm going to put it by the front door, thinking when you get your keys, you're going to look at it and go, oh, what's this? Oh, I'll take it home to read it. No, two months and a bit later, yeah, here we are.
I was going to take it home and read it, but when I was like, no, because I want to do it with you.
Yeah,
So,
but every time you've been down and we've had spare time, we're like, what shall we do? Neither of us thought, hey, there's a thing up on the porch waiting for like 2 months that I'd be open. Do you want to open it? Nope, that just slid through our mind. So, yeah.
anyway, today's the day.
Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's amazing. So, first thing out. It says,
Dad.
Dad, happy Father's Day. But it also... I've opened upside down.
Yeah, to be fair, I accidentally wrote it upside down.
It says, to Dad, thank you so much for being supportive.
That took me about like half an hour to colour in, that's why there's not much. But it's a bit upside down if you can't already tell. Wait, is that? Wait,
no, it's
hold
not.
on. Wait. No, because when you do that.
Yeah, I just open it upside down.
Yes. But yeah. Even though this isn't a fun fair, it's the closest thing we do. Because, oh yeah, then there's loads of sequins.
And inside.
Sequins!
Oh, they're on the floor now. There's lots of
I want to
sequins.
pick him up because of the dogs. Don't think that part through.
But no. Thank you so much, Donnie Lee.
You're welcome. It's not a fun fair, but hey ho.
No, but it's a fun fair having you in my life. In a good way.
I'm trying to think of what you meant now. Oh yeah! Oh wait, hold on. Did I give you that? Did I give you that? Was that for your birthday?
That's the birthday one.
I thought so. I was going to say. Hour until we have to actually leave. Oh, not leave, but until the film is. But we're going to leave about, I want to say 1:50?
Probably about 2.
Yeah, 2:50 past something.
No, 2:50 would be late.
No, not 1:50 would probably leave, or about 2, and then it's not too far of a drive.
No.
But we'll take the car, park it somewhere because parking's horrendous. Get the sweeties, might get a hot dog later. But yeah, this is pretty much it really for today, apart from little doggy clips. And yeah. And that is all from us, like currently, because we've got to go soon, because it's nearly 2. But your question today is... Dun-dun-dun-dun.
What is your thoughts on Fantastic Four if you have seen it?
And if you haven't, why? And if you're not thinking of watching it, why? Yeah, comment down below. Do-do-do. Do-do-do.
Remember to like and subscribe as well.
Yes, yes, yes. Nearly at 200.
We can get it to 200, we can.
But yeah, we'll see you later. Bye. They can't reach. Okay, so I have just got a package, but I know what this package is, but I don't know what it looks like. So I'm going to see if you can guess. I'm going from these to an upgrade. Can you guess it? Comment down below. Let's start opening. You've come to inspect, have you, Roxy? Woo! Ta-da! Yes. Yeah. Wireless headset. Ah! I got this with my own money. Because here's a clip of me getting £300. Dun, dun, dun,
This is
dun.
just a little something from us to you.
Yeah.
As a thank you. And it's equivalent to what you would have earned if you'd done an apprenticeship with us.
Oh, cool.
So that's your money, that's your hard-earned money for that week.
I don't know what to do with it. Now, no backstory. Let's open these. I'm very excited right now. Oh, it's got a lead. Okay. They're foldable. Right, I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, they're much shinier than... Wait. Oh, yes. Okay, I actually like these. That is a nice rose gold. Because the other ones were like black and then had the colour inside. And I was like, Then I saw this one, but it folds. the on button, you've got the plus button, you've got an EQ button, you've got a microphone, and they're actually really comfy. They're actually really comfy. I can't actually hear myself right now. They're like noise cancelling. I'm trying to hear you. But when I put them on, it's like some bits are muffly, but they actually fit round my head. Comes with an actual bag to put them in. That's really cool and handy. Right, let's try and figure out how you put them on Bluetooth. So, what you do is you hold for 3 seconds. Does it say power on? Ah, so no pairing. So
How's it sound?
Okay. Whenever I'm sad, and it works, again. You can just add this in, or you can put this in as well, which I think is pretty cool because you put this in to listen to it, or you can just hook it up to Bluetooth. So there's 2 ways of actually listening to it. That is handy, actually. But yeah, it's crazy that my mum is listening to probably Luke Combs and I can't hear a word that the song is saying right now. But on full volume, I could hear a little bit. But when it was on full volume, I was like, whoa. Yeah. This is actually really cool. Yeah, this is actually really good. I'm putting that with these. Yeah, because I want to try it with calling my mum. Because when I had my other headphones, she could barely hear me. It was always like crackling or something. Or it was really quiet, even if I have the mic here. So I am wondering if the quality of the mic is going to be better or not. But so far, so good. I'm happy. I'm just trying to put this in. I must say, I wish the bag was a nicer colour, but hopefully it'll fit. Definitely going to use these probably when I'm listening to music or in the car, because in the car especially, I just like to listen to music. I can just go, boing, ba 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 da ba ba, and then they'll be like, Dawn, you are singing, and I cannot hear a word of the song. But yeah, I love listening to music, and they're really comfy as well. But I like that you can just like fold them. But yeah. But you can adjust them. You can adjust them. I think the size it has originally, yeah, that is way too big for my head. So I'm just going to keep it to the first setting. And it says left and right, because otherwise I will just go on like this. Oh wait, that means I had the wrong... Oh, so... I think that's off. But yeah, when I'm in the car, especially, I can just go boing, da na 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 na. But I'm very excited. But yeah, let's see. Gypsy's being weird. We are looking after 3 doggos, and look, they fit. I mean, I expect them to, but yes, I'm very excited to start using these. And yeah, when you need me from now on, I will just have to push them back and go, yes, while half listening to my music. Oh, there we go. Nope, I did it the wrong way round. 'Cause I'm a numpty, yeah. We saw Fantastic Four today, which I thought it was actually really good. And it's going to be coming back, and it's going to be joining with Avengers Doomsday. like they're colliding worlds. But the actor of Iron Man is actually Doctor whatever his name is, not Doctor Strange. But he basically falls into this other reality, apparently. And yeah, on how they're gonna clash with Avengers. Like, I wonder if Wanda's gonna get jealous or something because she couldn't have her her children, because she made this ultra slumber world thing to have a family. I know, it's a really sad story. Wanda's actually like the one that's like got so much backstory. It is. Anyway, I'm happy with my purchase. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm probably going to use them like 10 times today, just to check them out, make sure they work and everything. Maybe phone my mum, even though she's in the same room, in the same house. I'm going to see if she can hear me or not. And if she can't, that's a bad thing. But I'm going to pop off for dinner, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! I'm wearing latex gloves and I have Roxy's cream because this is to help her stop itching. Hopefully this works. Right, you ready? Ready from there? Come on. Right, let me see your paws. Come on. No, 3. Can we go roll over? Go. What's up there? Okay. Hey. Come on. Let me do this and I'll give you a little treat or something. You have to kind of roll. Yeah, go on your back. There you go. Ready? It's okay. Good girl. Do you want a treat now? Do you? Oh, is that a no? Is that no to treat?
I think everyone wants a treat.
Do you want a treat? Come on then. No, you've already had yours. You're playing! Are you laughing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I think so. What are you doing? Maxie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Will you try and scratch your ear? You can't do that. No. Chippy.